Here's the updated severe weather briefing. My name is Jeff Boyne, one of the forecasters here with the National Weather Service in La Crosse, Wisconsin. We're still looking for severe weather later on this afternoon and into the evening. At this time, the best timing looks to be from 4 p.m. to midnight. At this time, we expect individual thunderstorms to develop across western portions of Iowa and along a warm front late this afternoon into the early evening. These thunderstorms will be capable of producing large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. As the evening progresses, we expect these thunderstorms to eventually evolve into a line which will be capable of producing damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and flash flooding. At this time, the best severe weather threat looks to be along and south of the Interstate 90 corridor. For early this afternoon, we're looking at a low-pressure system currently moving out of the Central Plains, and as this low continues to move northeast, we expect the potential of thunderstorms to develop across western portions of Iowa and along a warm front which is currently situated from northwest Iowa into southeast Iowa. The red line indicated here is about approximate location of the warm front at 1:30 this afternoon, and south of the warm front you can see quite a bit of sunshine still taking place, allowing that air mass to continue to heat up, and also it's fairly moist down there, so we're developing a lot of instability south of that front, which will help erupt the thunderstorms later on this afternoon and into the evening. If these thunderstorms do not happen to develop with this low pressure system, which there is a small possibility that this could occur, we may have to wait till later on tonight as the atmosphere cools aloft, which will allow the thunderstorms to develop. Looking at the latest severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, the entire area is right now under a slight risk of severe weather. Looking at the tornado probabilities, these have actually increased from this morning. We now currently have about a 10% chance of tornadoes, and that is centered pretty much on the Iowa-Minnesota border. Looking at the thunderstorm wind probabilities, the highest wind probabilities right now are south of the Interstate 90 corridor. However, there is possibility that we still could see some damaging winds north of I-92. Looking at the hail probabilities, right now it looks like we could see large hail, and that's what's showing up in the hashed area. The potential here is larger than 2-inch diameter hail. But right now, as far as severe weather goes with this hail, the best chances will be late this afternoon and into the early evening. When the line develops, the chances of large hail will actually decrease. After the severe weather tonight, it looks like there will be additional severe weather somewhere across the area on Wednesday and Wednesday night, but this will be highly dependent on what happens tonight, and this may be adjusted with later updates. Look at the rain forecast for the night. Right now it's forecasting about 1 to 2 inches of rain. However, with thunderstorms you can see much more heavy rain possible across the area, but trying to define exactly where this is located is rather difficult because there's still some uncertainties on how far north the warm front will actually get. Looking at the over the next 5 days, we're looking anywhere from 3 to 5 inches by into the weekend. Again, south of I-90 looks to be our best chances of severe weather. Best timing looks to be between 4 p.m. and midnight with large hail, damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and heavy rainfall, which could result in flash flooding. There's medium confidence that this will occur. Meanwhile, north of I-90, there's still some questions on how much severe weather will actually occur. Still looks like the best timing somewhere between 4 p.m. and midnight with large hail, damaging winds, and heavy rainfall, which could result in some flash flooding. There's low to medium confidence that this will occur. Stay up on the latest severe weather possibilities through our Facebook page, Twitter page, and also our YouTube channel. Thanks for listening.